Hi there, friends. Ringo. It's quite snowy out here, and I'm just about to get some gas for my heater because it's very cold. Let's roll the clip. Help. Now, I don't know what you do when you do your soldering, but soldering is quite a task, and also it can be quite poisonous. So that's why Hemplins Embassy has brought to you the new hemp soldering wire. All you need for this is nothing special. You need your usual soldering iron and the new Hemplins Hemp Embassy solder. The difference between Hemplins soldering wire and normal soldering wire is that it contains natural hemp and also lead. Most soldering wires are lead-free, but Hemplins believes that lead makes for a better grip. No difference. Watch this. To the same effect, you get your nice blob of solder, which you can then apply to your great hobby project like this. Hey presto. Oh, and what's that aroma? Well, that aroma is hemp, none other than hemp. That's right. So instead of smelling that lead-free soldering iron that I'm used to, I'm smelling leaded hemp soldering wire, which to me smells a lot more natural, and it really hits me in my head, but that's not a bad thing. And still, it smells like I'm burning a dang candle in the room. And hey, I may as well be, because Hemplins soldering wire is as good, if not better than a candle, for the effects you get. Tighter grip with the leaded soldering wire. You get better aroma. You get influence in your head. You might get better ideas when you breathe in this soldering wire. You also get much more for your value. For $20 US, you get about half a meter of Hemplins soldering wire, which will last you absolutely yonks. This stuff is, even just smelling, it's fresh from the bottle. I get that beautiful hemp smell. Now it's curious, why haven't they done this before, you may ask? Well, let me tell you, in many states, hemp was considered an illegal... We're not getting into that. Okay, we're not getting into that. We're not getting into that right now, ladies and jokes. We're getting straight into the fact that, why hadn't they made this before, you may ask? No one thought of it. You have two opposite ends of the spectrum. You got your hardware, construction, electrical. Then you've got candles, incense, hemp. Now, you put these two worlds together, let me tell you, Hemplins soldering wire is my #1 choice. This has been your endorsement by none other than Ringo.